Hi, this is Noah. So I bought this U.S. General mini toolbox from Harbor Freight, and at that time, maybe a month and a half ago, it was I think $19 or $21. It might have gone up a little bit because of I won't say. So people really like these, and it's an excellent gift for Father's Day coming up or a birthday. I'm gonna end up buying one of these for several locations in my house, and I'd be thrilled if I got more of them. So this is how it comes, and hopefully we can get it out without much problems. So yeah, it's kind of fun. I'm gonna put this one in my room, and probably won't even use it for tools or anything. It's not the greatest. I'm having problems with the one shelf. There you go. So this is also a review. It comes with these foam shelf, so your tools don't move or whatever. So I see people put watches in here, knives, and their tools. So I'll probably have this on my desk, have my pens and jewelry or whatever you want. And I think it comes in like 3 colors, black, red, I'm not sure. But it would be also great if they made it like pink or purple for women. This is kind of fun. So you got a big major drawer. I'd say this is like 8 inches by 5 inches deep. I mean not deep, well, and then you got a shorter one. So, and as you can see, I'm not very organized right now, so maybe I'll get a bunch of these and go from there. Yeah, get one of these for your dad or other dads, and it's a great way and inexpensive for your kid to buy themselves a a toolbox that they can place anywhere, and they can put stickers on or even design it, or be creative and put some "I love Dad" sort of thing on there, and they'll love it. I said my kid gave me this excellent gift. It's not the greatest quality, but it's fun. So that's my review on this. So, and they did sell a lot of these, and I do like Harbor Freight, but I don't use their equipment, their tools for when I do tech services for the most part. I only use it if I'm lending it to somebody or I don't want to ruin my tools. So thank you, and please subscribe. Thank you.